treating us. They're treating us. I wonder why. Did they hit the jackpot lotto? They got their salary already. Yay! Mommy's very happy. She will not be the one paying. Jessie's happy. Jessie's happy also. Jessie, look at that! Close up. Okay, these are drinks. This is the... What is this? Peach mango lemonade. And then watermelon. And then mango shake. These are drinks. Video from the other side. Okay, let's pray. Subscribe, share, and like to your friends. Hello, good evening, hobbies. Ito si Daddy Joe. Dito sa Eastwood. May dinner tayo. We're gonna eat at... There we go. Italianni. For dinner. Yun yung restaurant nila. It's their entrance. Yan. That's Italianni's resto. Okay, we'll eat. Okay, mga hindi pa subscribe and like ito na yung HOBBIES TV. Enjoy life, start having. Okay, kaya ang menu natin dito. Italianni's. Okay, they have complimentary baked bread with balsamic vinegar and bread. Okay, this is the Italianni menu. Oh. Italianni's. Okay, this is their drink menu. Drink menu. So iced Americano, mga coffee, hot beverages, freshly baked bread. Oh, yeah, freshly. Didn't know. Okay, and then beverages. Okay. Lushy fizzy tea, refreshing peach mango lemonade, watermelon ripe mango. Drinks. Then cocktails. Sangria, Condo with love, Bianca Sangria, Piggy Swear, Negroni. They have liquor, ano pricing nila. This is Italianni's. Then they have a wine, list of wines. Okay, red wine, white wine, rosé, sparkling wine. Then they have their pizzas, of course. Okay, pizzas, 4 pieces, $4.95. Not too bad price. And then spinach and artichoke for mom. Appetizers. It's the appetizers. Mussels, Italian truffle chips, Italian stuffed mushrooms. And they also have prosciutto, green cheese ravioli, fried calamari, Italian soup. And they have their salads. Italian salad, beetroot, pecorino, 4 seasons. And they have their soups. Minestrone soup, clam chowder, Caesar salad, shrimp pomelo, shrimp chowder. We have their pizzas here. Pizza, honey garlic, snowflake, pepperoni, cal, margarita, quattro formaggi. That's their pizzas. Then other pizzas, truffle and mushroom quattro, stradioni, spinach and cream cheese. That's their pizza. And then pizza enorme, quattro grande. So these are large pizzas. Italian. It's Italian. It's not Filipino taste. It's Italian. Italian's tomato. Okay, they have their seafood pastas. Seafood Filipino pastas. What did you order, Nak?
Ano mo na-order ni Jessie?
Root beer?
Anong order?
Chicken tikka. Pastas. Let's start from pastas. These are pastas. Yeah, there are so many pastas. So classic Italian. Shrimp and basil. Spaghetti. Okay. Big city. Salmon. Oregano. Okay, their mains. Steamed halibut, seafood stew, Parmigiano crusted fish fillet. Then they have grilled pork, crispy pork ribs, chicken palets. They have the spare ribs, herb roast chicken, braised beef. Then you have their US rib eye steak, baby back ribs. Again, this is their good meal. BTS, Bistro to Share, 1 star plus 3 entrance. They have the cheesecake. Dessert, blueberry mango cheesecake. Blueberry mango cheesecake. We have Gino and Gina. They're treating us. They're treating us. I wonder why. Did they hit the jackpot lotto? They got their salary already. Yay! Mommy's very happy. She will not be the one paying. Jessie's happy. Jessie's happy also. Jessie, look at that. Close up. Okay, these are drinks. This is the, what is this? Peach mango lemonade. And then watermelon. And then mango shake. These are drinks. Okay, this is our Caesar salad. Caesar salad. Ito pala yung order namin. Okay, here's our server with parmesan. What's this?
Parmesan crusted, sir.
Another one is chicken. What's that? Chicken.
Yes, you want.
When you have roasted chicken po.
Okay, roasted chicken. Look everything. Roasted chicken. That's the roasted chicken. How can you video from the other side? Okay, let's pray.
I just want the fish fillet.
Okay, I'll eat now. Come on, let's get. Videoan mo ko na.
Wala pa yung pizza kanina.
Salad. Then we're gonna get our fish.
Kaya na, Jessie?
What's this? Fish.
What the chicken? What the heck?
What's this?
Saan ito? Tuloy mo na?
Okay. Taas mo konti na, hindi naman ako makita.
Kita pa.
Diba?
Dilim mo.
Dilim. Okay mga kabis. We have fish, salad. Very good. It's my God. Dito. Sandwich.
Ito din.
Up.
Ang pait eh. Kumain na. Thank you po.
Mashed potatoes, very, very good. Okay. That's one of the best mashed potato I've tasted. Okay, kain tayo mga fish.
Ano ito? Stop mo na lang. Kain.
Stop mo na nak. Okay, yun na. What do you think? So far. So far good na. What did you like? Ako, I like the chicken. Sarap. Sobra. Saka yung mashed potato. Mashed potato. Sobra sarap. So far, so good. So ako, rating ko dito for me is 5 out of 5 stars. First time na namin kumain dito. Palagi namin nakita. Palagi full. Kaya pala, mga kabis, kaya pala full dito. Kasi sobrang sarap. Okay, kain muna kami. Bye.
Lagi ko na ba yun?
Ah, sige, sir.
Okay. Wow. What's this?
Quarter format.
Quattro.
Oh, talaga.
Oh, looks
Four
good.
cheese.
Ano tayo? Ano tayo? Ito. Chicken. Salad. Okay, ang rating ko dito 5 out of 5 stars. Now, bill reveal tayo for Italianni restaurant.
Uy, Jesse.
Ayusin na ano? No, put it up. Ayusin mo yung buo. Yun nga yung bill. O ano ba? That's the total. That's the total. Total is 29
More chicken?
2,919 and 20 pesos. Okay. For 4, divided by 4, how much per person? Ano lang, 700. 750 or less per person.
Jesse.
Pero ano, may take out pa kami. We also have bread. Ano, we also have bread. Take out. Okay, so I think we found the winner. Italiannis. Kain kayo dito mga kabis. Okay, bye. Subscribe, share, and like to your friends.